Let's talk about the three-body problem itself. This refers to the question of how to describe, in precise mathematical terms, the motion of three bodies of comparable mass under the influence of nothing but gravity. Solutions to the three-body problem fall into two broad categories: general solutions and special solutions. A general solution would be one that applies to any initial configuration of the three bodies. According to mathematics, no such solutions exists, which is why we say that three-body motion is inherently chaotic, without pattern. But there are special solutions that can exist under very particular circumstances. In these cases, three masses can move in stable orbits. One example is a configuration where three stars revolve around each other in a repeating pattern. Another type is what's often called a quasi-two-body solution. This occurs when one of the three bodies is so far away, or its influence so negligible, that it can be ignored. The system then effectively reduces to the simpler, predictable two-body problem. In our universe, all known triple-star systems can be explained this way. The third star is either very distant or has so little mass that it barely affects the other two. The Alpha Centauri system is a classic example. The kind of extreme scenario described in the novel, the wild, chaotic interplay of three equally influential suns, does not occur in reality. And even if such a system did exist, over cosmic timescales, one star would inevitably be flung away, leaving a stable two-body orbit. It's worth remembering that the three-body universe is a fictional construct. Readers don't need to get hung up on whether the novel's setup could actually exist. Science fiction is not science, and certainly not reality. Another fictional device in this part of the story is the flying stars. In the novel, these are essentially the stellar cores. What we normally see as the sun is its core, plus its outer atmosphere. But from a great distance, the atmosphere becomes invisible, and only the blazing core can be seen. As a result, the sun looks very different when observed from far away compared to up close. This detail departs from real astronomy, but it serves a narrative purpose. It makes it harder for the Trisolarans to realize that their world actually orbits three suns. If they could easily observe two small suns off in the distance, or track the process of a sun receding away, they would have uncovered the secret of their system immediately.